here at Baxter, and nothing will change in what we've done and where we're headed. But things will change this fall. The schools that we're going to play will change this fall. The colors on our uniforms will change this fall. The teams that we play, the cities, the towns that we go to. But what will stay the same is the people sitting in this gym, the young people to my right and the left. That will change, and that's why I know that we are going to continue to be successful. I know you're done listening to me, and you want to know what the heck we're going to be in the future. So with that, yes, I want to give a loud round of applause to Mr. Padgett. Mr. Padgett is our technology director. Trying to decide how we're going to tell you what it's going to be, and Mr. Padgett is unbelievably talented with his technology skills. So what we're going to do today is we wanted to let him put together the video, and the video is going to tell us everything you want to know. So without further ado, Mr. Padgett's video. Here we go.
Hello, Baxter High School meteorologist Rob McIntyre with you in the WHO Storm Center. We are excited to hear your new founded logo and nickname of the Baxter Bolts. Hopefully all the opponents coming in are able to take shelter quickly with strikeability of your teams. Hopefully we'll have you on our football Friday night often. Good luck and go Bolts.
What's up, guys? I'm playing ball in college. Baxter class of 2015. Just wanted to say congrats on officially named the Bolts. These 4 years of high school are going to fly by. Can't wait to get to the Liverpool Black next year. Go Bolts, baby.
What's up, guys? I'm Michael Admire with Channel 13 Sports. Cannot wait to get out next fall to cover the Baxter Bolts in 8-man football. It's going to be an electric atmosphere on Football Fridays out there. Good luck next season.
Hi, guys. congratulations on the Mascot Clubs. I'm excited to watch you compete as the Baxter Bolts.
Hey, what's up? It's Clutch from Albany 6-3. Congratulations, Baxter Bolts, legit 2017, the Mascot. Oh my God, real deal, man.
Hey guys, Bryce here, and I've heard about it you've been on the last couple of months with CM, and our decision to break up with them, and I know it's going to be hard, probably rough for a while, but I'm excited to see what Baxter's doing. And I just wanted to say congratulations to the Bulls.
Hi, this is Coach Campbell here at LSU, and I just want to congratulate the new school, the Baxter Bolts, for fighting to support this great new school, and obviously here we're going to be playing in football, in the building, in football, we're fighting to come watch you guys play. Go Baxter Bolts.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? It is Dylan from 107.5 Kiss FM. Super excited about the big change to the Baxter Bolts. Congratulations, guys. Go Bolts. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Ned. I'm from 96.5 Country, also 107.5 Kiss FM. Just wanted to say congratulations to Baxter. Go Bolts.
Hey team, guys, I'm Ross Peterson from Des Moines Sports Station 1460 KXNO. We are excited about the Baxter Bolts.
You can feel the energy coming out of Baxter, guys. Congratulations on this great new move. And we are really pumped on Friday nights. We'll be out there covering you guys as you're banging ahead. So get ready to get this energy fired up, man. We're excited for you, and good job. Baxter Bolts, go get it.
Go Bolts!
Hey everyone, congratulations on becoming the new Baxter Bolts. Good luck in the years to come.
Hi, I'm Steve Young from KXNO. Even though it's fun, I'm really looking forward to seeing the Baxter Bolts take the field. So good luck, even though I still want to kick your butts.
Murph and Andy here, and congratulations, Baxter Bolts. Fantastic name. Can't wait to see the Baxter Bolts on the football field, basketball, softball, volleyball, soccer, all of it. It's a great name. And Bolts is a great name.
Yeah, I heard they were considering Bison.
Yes, Mario. You didn't like Bison.
Notice how I went to Dakota State.
But you understand what we're talking about is they did not pick Bison or Bison. They picked Bolts. Bolts.
Yeah, that's good. I did not like Bison.
Okay. He didn't like Bison, so good job. Again, more reinforcement for Bolts, right?
As long as it's not Bison, I don't care what it is.
Bolts wrote a good job.
Lights, camera.